The Amazon rainforest, one of the last great unexplored wildernesses on the planet, covering a staggering 5.5 million square kilometers across South America. It makes up over half of the world's remaining rainforest and is home to about 16,000 different species, from snakes and spiders to monkeys and even dolphins.
We'll be taking a small boat deep into the heart of the Ecuadorian jungle to spend 3 nights in a rustic lodge, from where we'll get to explore a tiny section of this incredible rainforest. Stay tuned for plenty of crazy wildlife encounters, some amazing cultural experiences,
Ready?
and of course a lot of rain.